This 2013 Entegra Coach Anthem 42RBQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Entegra coach is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a boardwalk, Washington glazed cherry interior, sleeps 4, DVD player, slideout, TV antenna, stovetop burner, self-contained, skylight, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2013 Entegra Coach Anthem 42RBQ is built on a Spartan Mountain Master Tag axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISL 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.